see what's in the refrigerator. Let's clean it out. See what we can find to grill.
Chicken. I think we'll use original Allegro.
We are going to marinate all of this.
Oh, look at all those bits of pieces of herbs in that Allegro.
The chicken has been marinating for at least an hour or so.
And it's still wet.
Fall here in Atlanta, Georgia. And we're doing butternut squash blend.
You've got red peppers, red onion.
Oh, and that's good. Just a little honey. We don't eat enough butternut squash. I'm not peeling that. My God. We're gonna add some Kickin' Country Keto barbecue sauce.
Oh my God, isn't that lovely?
Let's try it. Now, that's how you clean out your refrigerator. My goodness. What a combination. Wow.